Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here with lesson number 2 of mathematics, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, so in earlier standards you have already studied about the fractions and decimals. Okay, so today before starting the lesson some recalls are given there. Just see what is given. Okay, now first question is express the following as improper fraction. You know what are the proper fraction and improper fraction? Yes. Now see, this is given in the mixed fraction. So what you have to do, you know how to convert mixed fraction into the improper fraction? Yes. Just multiply the number 5 by 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. So here you have to write is equal to 16 upon 3. Okay. Next, 15 multiplied by 15 is equal to 225. 225 plus 2 is 226. 27 means here you have to write 227 upon 15. You know how to convert the improper fraction, how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? Yes. Now in this way you have to do the remaining one. Now see the next one. Express the following as mixed fractions. What you have to do for doing the improper fraction into the mixed fraction, you just divide the number 4 to the 39th. Okay. So what is the answer? 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. So here I have to write 4 9s are 36. How much is remaining? 3. So write it here on the numerator and in the denominator 4. Okay. Now in this way you have to do the remaining one. You know how to convert it into the mixed fraction? Yes. Now see the third one. Find the missing number that make the following fractions equivalent. You know what are the equivalent fractions? Yes. Means the value of fraction is same. See here. Here is the number 36 upon 60 is equal to box upon 5. So see 5 and 60. What is the relation? Yes. 5 divided by 60 is equal to 12. 12 5s are, then 36 divided by 12. So here you have to write 3. So here you have to write 3 12s are 36, 5 12s are 60. Okay. Now 15 90. What is the relation? 15 90. Divide 90 by 15. 6. Okay. Then you have to write 3. 3 6 are 18. 15 6 are 90. Okay. Are you understood? In this way you have to do the remaining one. Now see the next one. Write as fraction in the lowest form. Okay, you have to write this in the fraction form. So 0.004, so it can be written as 4 upon 100, and 4 upon 100 can be converted into the divided by 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 225. So here the answer will be 2 upon 25. Okay, so in this way first you have to convert into the fraction and then make it as lowest form. Now see the next one. Write each of the following as a decimal. You know this is the which form? This is the expanded form. So you just convert into the decimal, that is 200 plus 30 plus 5 means 235. Then 0.210 means here you have to write 2 and here is a 9 means you have to write here 9. Okay. So in this way you have to solve this. Now see this one. 16. So here you have to write 16.3 upon 10 means 3 tens and then 1 2 3 4 thousand. So 1s tens 100 and thousands. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the remaining one. Okay student, now moving ahead with our next topic, that is what is the introduction. Okay, you know what is the fraction, that is some introduction is given there. We have learned about fractions and decimal in the earlier classes. Okay, we have learned about different types of fractions. How many types of fractions are there? Proper, improper, mixed fraction. Okay, now then comparison of fractions, equivalent fractions, ordering of fractions, and addition, subtraction of fractions, that you have already done in the 6th standard. Okay. Similarly, we have learned about decimal numbers, comparison of decimal, and addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay. Now in this chapter what we have learned? we learn about multiplication and division of fraction as well the decimal. Okay, so previous chapter you learn about the addition, subtraction, comparison. Now in this chapter what you have to do, you just have to learn about the multiplication and division of fraction as well as decimals. Okay, now see the multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. We know that multiplication means repeated addition, you are already known. Okay, now to multiply a fraction 3 upon 10 by 3, we add 3 upon 10 to itself 3 times. That you know, multiplication means the addition repeatedly. So how many times it will be added? 3 upon 10 by 3 means what you have to do, you just have to add 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10. How many times? 3 times. Okay, so what you will get when you are adding of 3 upon 10 3 times? You will get, now see, the meaning of multiplication means repeated addition. So if you are multiplying the number 3 upon 10 by 3 or you are adding the number 3 upon 10 3, the answer will be same. Means 3, here you can see the denominators are same, so what you have to just add the numerator, that is 3 is equal to 9 upon 10. Okay, now so here let us consider one more example. 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 means you just have to add 3 upon 5. How many times? 3 times. So 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5. Add the number. You can see here the denominator is same, so you just write it as 5, and 3 plus 3 plus 3 means is equal to 9 upon 5. You will get the answer in the improper form. So what you have to do, you just have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay, are you understood this method? Now see, some alternate method is also given. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, we multiplied the numerator of a fraction by the whole number to get the numerator of the product, whereas the denominator in the product remains the same. Okay, this is also the another method. For example, you can see 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3. So what you have to do, multiply just the numbers by numerator only and keep it as denominator as it is. What you will get, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and denominator there is no number means you just the right multiplied by 1 means 9 upon 5. Okay, now you can see here 4 upon 5 multiplied by 2. Here the number 2, so there is no denominator, you just have to write 1. So 4 2s are 8, and here 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. This is also the alternate method for multiplying the numbers. Just see, multiplication of fraction by a fraction. So see here, to multiply a fraction by another fraction, we multiply the numerator and denominator to the of the two fractions to get the numerator and denominator of the product respectively. Means what you have to do, while product of fraction means when you are multiplying the fraction, what you have to do, multiply the numerator and in the denominator you just multiply the denominator means just here 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5. So what you have to do, what are the numerators? 2 and 4. So multiply numerator into the numerator, and here in the denominator multiply denominator into the denominator. You will get the answer 8 upon 15. It is the easy one, yes. So in the multiplication what you have to do, you just multiply the numerator and do the multiplication of denominator, you will get the answer. Okay, are you understood? I think it is the easy one, yes. Now see, some examples are given here. Multiplying and write the product in the lowest form. You know what is the lowest form? Yes students, lowest form means you just have to convert the number into the lowest form. Okay, means just divide this number by a same number, means divide this number by the same number, you will get the answer in the lowest form. Okay, see here, 10 5 upon 6 multiplied by 5, it is equal to, first convert it into the mixed fraction, you will get 65 multiplied by 5 divided by 6, so it is equal to 325 upon 6. When converted into the mixed fraction, it is equal to 54 1 upon 6. Okay, now see the B1, 1 upon 10 multiplied by 5 upon 6 means 1 multiplied by 5 and 10 multiplied by 6, 5 upon 60, and convert it into 5 upon 60, 1 upon 12, how much? Divide 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 16. So the answer will be 1 upon 12. Okay. So are you understood what is the lowest form? Now see. Here are the 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers and multiplication of 4 number is given. It is also the same way how to do. What you have to do? Just multiply. If the mixed fraction is given, then convert it into the improper fraction and do the multiplication of numerator and denominator. In the multiplication, if the numbers are divisible by the same number, just cut it and write here. Just see here, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay. So in this way also you cut the numbers easily. You will get the answer in the lowest form. Okay. Are you understood everyone? Now see third question. A upon 3 of 5. Now here the word of is used. What is the meaning of of? Of means multiplication. So 3 upon 5 of 70 means 3 upon 5 multiplied by 70. Just see here, 70 and 5 is divided by 5, then 5 ones are 5, 5 14s are 70. So 3 multiplied by 14 is equal to 42. Okay. Now 5 upon 11 of 121 means 5 upon 11 multiplied by 121. So in the table of 11, 121 is present. So 11 ones are 11, 11 11s are 121. Then y multiplied by 11, it is equal to 55. Okay. In this way you have to cut the numbers and get the answer. See the next one. If the cost of traveling 1 kilometer is rupees A, find the cost of traveling 1 upon 4 kilometer. So what you have to do? 4 1 upon 4 kilometer is equal to 4 1 upon 4 multiplied by 8. So now see here, the 4 1 upon 4 is converted into the mixed into the improper fraction, that is 17 upon 4 multiplied by 8. So it is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 17 twos are rupees 34. Okay. Are you understood everyone how to solve the examples remaining one? Okay. Now some examples are given in exercise 2.1. Okay. Just see what is given first. Multiply the following. Now see how we are solving this. Multiply the following. See the first one. A. What is given? 4 1 upon 3 multiplied by 9 1 upon 4. Now you can see here is the mixed fraction, so convert it into the improper fraction. So 4 threes are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3 multiplied by 9 fours are 36 plus 1, 37 upon 4. Okay. Now for what you have to do? 13 multiplied by 37 and divided by 3 multiplied by 4. Now do the calculation. 3 fours are 12 and 13 multiplied by 37, it is equal to 481. Okay. Now in this way you can divide it by 12. You will get the answer. You otherwise you will not divide it. It is okay. Okay. It is equal to 40.0, or otherwise you can't divide. Okay. It is the simple way. Now see the B1. 20 multiplied by 13 1 upon 5. So here 20 multiplied by 13 5s are 65 plus 1, 66 upon 5. Okay. Now see here you can cut the number. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 4 multiplied by 66, it is equal to 26. Okay. In this way you have to find out the answer of remaining one. Now see the next question. Yes. Find 2 upon 3 of rupees 90. So here you can say A, 2 upon 3 of rupees 90. Okay. So 2 upon 3 of means the multiplication of 90. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 0 0, and 3 twos are 60. So here you have to write rupees 60. Okay. Then B, 1 upon 2 of 24 centimeter. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. So in this way you can find out the remaining one. Now see the third one, third question. Simplify the following. What you have to do? A is given. 5 upon 6 multiplied by 32 upon 25 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Okay, now for what you just multiply the numerator to the numerator, means 5 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 3 and whole divided by 6 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 2. Now see, in the multiplication you just have to cut the number. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, then 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, then 2 ones are 2, 2 16s are 32, again 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are, so the answer will be 8 upon 5. Okay, so in this way you have to do the next one. What is the next one? 24. B is 24 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 27, 6 divided by 5 and 14 divided by 8. Okay, now do the multiplication of numerator. 24 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 14 and divided by 27 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8. Okay, now see, 8 ones are 8, 8 3s are 24, then 7 2s are 14. No, it can't happen, so you have to write 14 again. Okay, now see how many numbers are there? 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 9s are 27. Okay, now here is the number 6 multiplied by 14. So what will be the answer? 6 14 6 are 84, and here you have to write 9 5s are 45. Okay, so it can be divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 3 8s are 24. Here 3 15. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, this is the final answer of 24 upon 27 multiplied by 6 upon 5 multiplied by 14 upon 8. Okay, are you understood? In this way you have to find out the remaining one. Now see the next question. 4th, evaluate the following. 1/2 of 124. 1/2 means you just write it as 1/2 of 124. Okay, you just divide the number 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, so it is equal to 62. Okay, so it is equal to rupees 62. Then 1/10 of the square B. 1/10 means 1 upon 10th of square. Square is equal to 20, so it is equal to 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, so it is equal to 2. Okay, so in this way you have to find out the remaining one. Then 5th question, what is given? A 1 kg of rice cost rupees 44 2 upon 3. Find the cost of 3 1 upon 3 kg of rice. Okay, so here I have to write the cost of 1 kg is equal to rupees 44 2 upon 3. So it is equal to 44 3s are 133, 134, 135. So it is equal to 135 upon 3. Okay, rupees. Then therefore the cost of, here you have to write the cost of 3 1 upon 3 kg rice, it is equal to 135 upon 3 multiplied by 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. Okay, so it is equal to 135 multiplied by 10 and divided by 3 3 is 9. So 135 0 divided by 9, it is equal to 15. Okay, so in this way you have to find the answer of remaining one. Are you understood, student, how to find out the answers? Yes. Now see the next one. Now see, these are the examples of multiplications. Okay, so you just have to do the multiplication and find out the answer. This is the same way, you have to follow the same. Okay, now see the next. Division of whole number by a fraction. Now here what you have to do, you just have to divide the whole number by a fraction. Just see, If 1 is divided by 1 upon 4, here 1 is the whole number and 1 upon 4 is the fraction. Okay, see, 1 divided by 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 also. Yes, 1 multiplied by 4 upon 1 is equal to 4. Now how can you calculate this? Therefore what you have to do, just keep the first number as it is, then make the division as a multiplication and inverse a number, means 1 upon 4 it can be written as 4 upon 1. In this way you have to find the answer 4. Okay, now see, reciprocal of fraction. See, what is the reciprocal? In the above example, we have noticed that 4 upon 1 and 3 upon 1 are obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator of 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3 respectively. Okay, so let us find following product first before continuing with division. See, what is the reciprocal? Here is the number 1 upon 12 and multiplied by 12 upon 1. Then what will be the answer? 1. When 7 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7, 7 3s are 3 7s are, what will be the answer? 1. So the product of fraction and the fraction obtained by inverting it is 1. Therefore, if we multiply 5 upon 9 by 9 upon 5, we get 1s. Here 5 upon 9 and 9 upon 5 are reciprocal of each other. So what is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal means convert numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. See here, to find the reciprocal of a given fraction, we replace numerator by denominator and denominator by numerator. For example, you can see 2 upon 3. Here 2 is the numerator. While writing the reciprocal of it, you have to write denominator as a numerator and numerator as a denominator. So 2 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 upon 3? That is 3 upon 2. Okay, so in this way, fraction multiplied by its reciprocal, the answer will be 1. Are you understood? So when fraction is multiplied by its reciprocal, the answer will be 1. Okay, see next one. Consider another fraction 6 upon 11. The reciprocal of 6 upon 11 is 11 upon 6 and the reciprocal of 11 upon 6 is 6 upon 11. Okay, now reciprocal of fraction is reciprocal of a fraction is the fraction itself. Yes, reciprocal of reciprocal is the fraction itself. See here, 5 divided by 1 upon 6 means you just have to multiply, divide it and convert into the multiplication. So 5 multiplied by 6 upon 1 is equal to 5 into reciprocal of 1 upon 6. What you will get? Yes, you will get the same answer. Now see the next one. Division of a fraction. Division of a fraction by a whole number. To divide a fraction by a whole number, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. Just see here, 12 upon 5 by 6. What is the meaning of by? Yes, the meaning of by means division. And what is the meaning of? Of means the multiplication. Okay, see. So when you are dividing 12 upon 5 by 6, so what you have to do, just write the first number as it is, that is 12 upon 5, and then divided by 6 means you just have to multiply the number, and what is the reciprocal of 6? 1 upon 6. So in this way you have to find the answer. Okay, now some examples are given here, solved examples. Find the reciprocal of the following. Okay, 7 upon 15. What is the reciprocal of 7 upon 15 is 15 upon 7. Yes, because you have to do numerator as a denominator and denominator as a numerator. Next, 141 upon 73, that is 73 upon 144. 1 upon 5, 5 upon 1, and 91 is equal to, so here the no denominator, you just write the 1. So what is the reciprocal of that is 1 upon 91. Okay, so in this way you have to find out the answer. Now see the next question. 34 divided by 15 upon 32. So here 34 you have to write as it is, and multiplication is converted into the division is converted into the multiplication, and do the reciprocal of second one, that is 51 upon 32 is written as 32 upon 51, and then reduce the number, you will get the answer, that is 64 upon 3. Okay, so students, are you understood how to do the multiplication? Okay, now see.